All right, so before I begin, I want to remind everybody that we are currently only 8 subscribers away from 200 subscribers here on the channel. So please, if you enjoy this video or if you enjoy any of the other videos on my channel, then please subscribe to see more of my content in the future and help us reach those greater, higher goals. All right, so today, so first of all, I just finished bowling, and right after I finished bowling, I was made up my mind that I was going to get some food from the grill, because bowling alley food is actually really good. You should get it. I was going to get chicken and fries with a little bit of cheese sauce on the side, because the bowling center that I bowl at has that stuff is really good. But I saw that they had this. And I immediately knew I had to try it. So these are garlic cheddar bites. Ooh, and they are fresh as fuck. Yeah, these are garlic cheddar bites. I'll figure out like a place to put them. I have root beer, because the root beer that they serve is really good. I usually get my fountain drinks without any ice, because I always drink it too damn fast to need the ice. So, well, it's hot, but look at it. So nice and golden brown. See a little bit of the cheese inside. Let's bite into it. Hopefully it doesn't burn my mouth off. So I can taste the garlic immediately. The garlic is probably really penetrating the breading. It's probably where it mostly is. Here's a bigger one. Damn, son. That shit's good. The cheese really comes through. It's most likely just mozzarella, if I had to guess. Here's the next one. It's most likely just mozzarella. But man, that's good. So the bigger ones that have a lot of cheese, and they're really soft. They're really soft. The breading is very thin, and the cheese is really gooey. I love it. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Man. God. I don't get to have root beer really often, but man, I love it so much. Love me some root beer. Here's the next one. I love the ones that are big and they're so soft. The garlic really comes through in the first couple seconds, and then it slowly fades away. And that's when the taste of the cheese punches you right in the mouth and kisses you on the lips and marries you. God, it's so good. And I love biting into freshly fried mozzarella. It has such a good bouncy texture. I just can't get enough of it. I have not had cheese bites or cheese curds this good in so long. Ooh, this one's big. This is the biggest one. Look at that. God. Oh, fuck yeah, dude. That shit is epic. This is epic food. Look at that. I mean, it's so perfectly golden brown in the light. I love it so much. It looks so good, and it is so good. This next one, I mean, how does it look so perfect in the light? And it's so soft. Damn, son. Oh my God, look at that fucking shit. Sexy. Fuck y'all. Honestly, I wasn't even that hungry. Like, I could have eaten, but I could have also not eaten at the same time. But man, I'm so happy that I ate right now. I'm happy I didn't wait until I got back home. I'm happy because I'm literally still in the parking lot of the bowling center right now. Fuck yes. Oh yeah, this one's big too. Look at that. Oh damn, I think that was the best one. That was so juicy and cheesy. Fuck. Oh fuck. Man, oh man, that was good. I gotta get me more of those sometime. Woo! God. No. Okay. Right. So, ooh, that was good. I really pigged out on it right there at the last minute. Alright, so, if you have any food suggestions for things that you would like to see me eat here on the channel in the future, then please leave them down in the comment section. Remember that we are only 8 subscribers away from 200 subs here on the channel, so please, if you enjoyed this video, then remember to subscribe. And if you enjoy any of my other videos, please subscribe. Also remember to please leave a like and comment if you like this video. Once again, thank you all for watching. Until next time, bye.